Boomerang House by Joe Adsett Architects in Ascot, Australia. Using subtle curves to define the outer edges of the home, Boomerang opens generously to its outdoor areas as an extension of the interior. Using a combined light and weighted materiality, the linear forms are softened by insertions of select rounder and ushering forms. Focusing connections throughout, the home feels deliberately light and directed to the surrounding natural elements. From the entry, the sculptural helix stair leads upward to the dedicated library space above as a paused moment amongst the more enclosed spaces. The circular skylight above draws light down to fill the double-height void while continuing a similar geometry. On the upper level, the southern wing sees 3 bedrooms, a family bathroom, and a lounge area come together, while the western wing becomes its own destination as a parent's retreat. With a clear focus outward, several supporting elements remain concealed. Sitting under the main ground level is a 4-car garage and wine cellar space, allowing the living area above to utilize as much of the available floor area as possible. Combining ease of flow between the kitchen, dining, living, and outdoor landscaped areas, Boomerang cups its occupants in place as its own private retreat.